Hello everyone, welcome to Commerce lecture. I am Anant Gore. Today we are going to discuss Business Studies Class 12, Chapter number 2, Principles of Management. As you know, in previous class we have already discussed nature of Principles of Management. Nature of Principles of Management's points are universal applicability, general guidelines, formed by practice and experimentation, flexible, mainly behavioral, cause and effect relationship, and contingent. So these are the nature of principles of management. Today we are going to discuss significance of principles of management. Significance means what? Importance. How the principles of management's importance to the management. So principles of management provide useful insights to managerial behavior and it influences managerial practice. So if a manager do practice in the organization, to manage the organization, principles of management helps to the manager. Principles of management guides to the manager in taking and implementing decision. So how the significance of management can be discussed? There are some following points. In that, let us first point significance of principles of management. 1. Providing managers with useful insights into reality. Second, optimum utilization of resources and effective administration. Third, scientific decisions. 4. Meeting the changing environmental requirement. 5th, fulfilling social responsibility. 6. Management training, education and research. These are the points related to significance of principles of management. So let us discuss one by one. First, providing managers with useful insight into reality. It means principles of management provide managers with useful insights into real world situation. It also enables the manager to learn from the past mistake and to solve problem quickly in the organization. It helps to the manager to take a right decision at the right time. By improving their knowledge and ability and understanding the various managerial situation and circumstances. Manager can handle the situation with the help of principles of management. So we can say principles of management guide to the manager to handle the managerial situation. Second, optimum utilization of resources and effective administration. Optimum utilization means that the resources you should put to use in the organization in such a way that they should give maximum benefit with minimum cost. So whatever resources you are going to utilize in the organization, from these resources there should be maximum benefit and with you should use minimum cost, and this is possible with the help of principles of management. So manager can orderly arrange the main and materials, he can plan an activity in the organization, or by coordinating the physical and financial resources, optimum utilization of resources can be used in the organization. It also helps effective administration. Effective administration means better administration. Better administration means doing a right task. To do right task in the organization, or while doing the task with correct manner, with effective manner, with efficient manner, principles of management helps to the manager. So therefore, principles of management also helps in better administration by discouraging personal pursuits and adopting some organizational objective approach. Third, scientific decisions. Decisions based on management principles tends to more realistic. Management principles helps in thoughtful decision. These principles of management emphasize logic rather than blind faith. So scientific decisions are based on fact and realistics. To take a scientific decision in the organization, to think about scientifically, manager can apply the principles of management. Fourth, meeting the changing environment requirement. Management principles provide effective dynamic leadership because business environment is dynamic. Dynamic means what? It changes. Business environment is going to change according to the situation, and according to the situation, manager can change the principles. As you know, we already learned the nature of principles of managements are flexible. So principles of managements are man-made principles. So according to the situation, manager can change the principles. So to change the environmental business environment, principles of management helps to the manager. That is fourth one point. Fulfilling social responsibility. Principles of management not only helps in achieving goal of the organization, but it also helps to guide manager in performing social responsibilities such as how to value to the customer, dealing with business associates, care for the environment to avoid pollution, and to respect to the public, to increase the awareness. Most of the limited company, they are going to create awareness in the publics. So for this purpose, principles of management helps to the manager, as well as equity and fair remuneration. This principle applicable when there is a problem of wages in the organization. So such type of the social responsibilities can be managed with the help of principles of management. Sixth, management training, education and research. Management principles are very helpful in identifying the areas in which existing and future managers should be trained. They also provide basic for future research, training to the employees, educations and R&D, that is research and development. Some education courses are available to learn principles of management, that is MBA, BBA are courses. These type of courses, they are providing management education to the manager, how to manage the company, how to manage the firm in effective manner. So management principles helps training, education and research. So these are the principles of management. Conclusion, it can be said that understanding the meaning, nature and significance of principles of management will help us to manage the company in effective manner, help us to appreciate applicability in real life situation also. So once again I am going to repeat this point. which are the significance of the principles of management. Providing managers with useful insight into reality. It means provide managers with useful insight into real world situation. Manager learn from the mistake. He learn problem solving method quickly. That is a providing manager with useful insight into reality. Second, optimum utilization of resources and effective administration. Principles of management helps for optimum utilization. Optimum utilization means what? Resources you should put to use in such a way that they should give maximum benefit with minimum cost. And for effective administration, principle of management helps to the manager. Scientific decisions, to think about scientifically, to manage the firm systematically, to take a decision in the firm. Principles of management helps to take scientific decision in the organization. Meeting the changing environmental requirement, because business environment is dynamic. According to the situation, manager has to be apply principles. So to apply the changes environment, principles of management helps to the manager. Fulfilling social responsibilities, that is how to value to the customer, dealing with business associates, and care for the environment, as well as employment problems, or to create awareness in the society. Principles of management helps to the manager. And lastly, management training, education and research. Principles of management provide training to the employees, to the manager, how to manager practice in the organization. Principles of management provide educations through different types of management institutions, through MBA, BBA, BBM courses, and also provide research. So these are the significance of principles of management. Next class, we are going to learn Taylor's scientific principles and principles of scientific management.